Good morning, people. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam Lit Ghetto Investor. It's a beautiful day to be in the stock market. It's a beautiful day to be in the stock market. You hear me? Very beautiful. If I was y'all, I'd save me some fucking money. Go get me a good old investment account and start investing. Because let me tell you this, right? I said the boy Trump was gonna stop this whole trade war shit. And when they stop the trade war, watch the stock market boom. And what the stock market is doing right now, everybody right now that have blue chips, mid cap, small cap, any cap is booming right now. You gotta be making money right now. Nobody not telling me that you're not making money right now. If you own any stocks right now, you're making money. Any profitable company, you're making money. Now, I ain't saying that the trade war is over, but they do that on purpose. They do this on purpose. They want to bring the stock market down. The rich bring the stock market down so they can buy more. Nobody wants to buy high. The object of the game is to buy low. So when the noise come, everybody buying. Everybody buying during the noise. So never worry about the noise. The noise brings the stock market down. And this is how you get rich. You understand what I'm telling you? Listen to what I'm telling you. Every year is something. Every year is something. And every year is going to be something. Let's just think about this, right? How could we go through life, right, without something happening? It don't gotta be big shit, just small shit. How could we go through life without something happening? How could something go straight up without... Yo, I'm gonna say this one more time. Listen, y'all. It's a trend. It's a trend for a reason. All the noise is what make it a trend. If it was never no noise, the stock market would just go straight up. You gotta make noise because nobody wants to buy high. It don't make sense. Any type of investments, everything becomes low. The real estate market, when it crashed, becomes low. To me, so I want the stock market to crash so I could be rich now. I could turn myself wealthy like this. Because I understand, I got strategy, so I'm going to get busy, and everybody that's up under me is going to get money, a lot of it. But like I said, if the stock market don't crash, Trump is the smartest motherfucker ever. And I'm going to keep saying this. This is why right now everybody with a stock market portfolio is eating. And we're not going to talk about no motherfucking money. I want you to get your shit together. We're not going to talk about no money. Because I'm heading to the bank right now. I'm heading straight to the bank. Ha, 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 ha. So, you know, I'm basically telling you to start investing, man. You got to do something. You're going to trade time for money for the rest of your life. And don't be blaming the system, and don't be blaming your parents and blaming people when you can change your motherfucking life and do and be right for and get right. Get right, damn it. Get right. It's that simple. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ghetto Man.